Gomo, cook. Hi, Chef Gomo. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Toto, are you hungry? What do you want to eat?
I want a yummy boxed lunch.
Oh, you want a boxed lunch. Today we're making a tasty boxed lunch with Gomo's face in it. Chef Gomo, let's cook. Introducing the ingredients.
Rice, 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 rice. Egg, 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 egg. Carrot, broccoli, carrot, broccoli. Sausage, shrimp, cheese stick, sausage, shrimp, cheese stick. Watermelon, orange, kiwi, strawberry. Wow!
Thank you, ingredients. First, let's cut the veggies and fruits. Ta-da! All done! Next, we need to make fried rice that's yellow like Gomo's face. Add curry powder. And mix. Hello, egg! Let's make egg white garnish. Smells delicious. The sausages are getting cooked too. Don't forget the fried shrimp and cheese sticks. Now let's start packing. Make the rice round like Gomo's face. The egg garnish goes on top like an eggshell. Use the carrot for the crest and bill. And with the egg whites and dried seaweed, make the eyes and brows. Wow, it's an adorable Gomo! Now let's place the yummy sides around Gomo. Yay! A cute and delicious Gomo box lunch! Dig in, Toto.
It looks good.
What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Gomo. Ready to cook something yummy? Are you hungry, Gomi? What do you want to eat? Oh, you want rice cakes. Today, we're making sweet and chewy rice cakes. Chef Gomo, let's cook. To make rice cakes, we need to make rice. Let's look for the rice cooker. Where is the rice cooker? Is it this? No, this is a mixer. Is it this? No, it's an electric kettle. Where's the rice cooker? This is hard. What's this? Whoa, it's juice now. This must be a blender. Then what is this? Yay! We found the rice cooker! First, let's put the rice into the cooker. Next, pour in some water. Okay, rice cooker, take it away. Wow, warm, fluffy white rice. Now let's put the rice into a wooden mortar and pound it. Hammers ready.
맛있다.
Wow, chewy, gooey rice cake! It's stretchy! Let's make it into smaller pieces. Whoa! Soybean powder is falling like snow. Yellow soybean powder rice cake! Look! Beans are scattered everywhere. Whoa! The beans are sticking to the rice cake! Yummy bean rice cake! Let's put the rice cake through this machine. Wow! A long rice cake log! Rice cake logs are yummier when cooked. Toasty warm rice cake logs! Enjoy, Gumi! What should we make next time? Oh look! Gomo and his friends are on the sea! Uba, are you hungry? What? You're going to catch him some fish? Wow! There are so many creatures under the sea! Huh? Gomo caught something! He caught a big mackerel! Gomo, try and catch something else! Wow! Gomo caught a plump shrimp! Wanna go again? What will Gomo catch this time? Oh, a webfoot octopus! Chewy webfoot octopus! Wow, Gomo caught a lot! Good job, Gomo! First, let's cook the webfoot octopuses in boiling water. Next, in a pan, add onions, green onions, red peppers, webfoot octopuses, a spicy sauce, and mix. Yummy webfoot octopus with a red spicy sauce! Now put some olive oil into a pan. And add garlic, tomatoes, broccoli, some pepperoncino, and mix. Then throw in the shrimp. Something is missing. Oh yeah, toasted baguettes. Yummy gambas al ajillo. This time, let's put some olive oil into a pan and cook the fish. Then add some butter and asparagus. Finally, garnish with some herbs. Yummy pan-fried mackerel! Wow, they look delicious! Dig in, kids! What should we make next time?
See you again!
Hi, Chef Gomo! Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba.
Oh, you want a donut. Today we're making a donut with a strawberry chocolate glaze. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make a donut? Let's find the ingredients. Onion? No, onions aren't in donuts. Then flour? Bingo! We need flour. Butter? Yup, we need butter too. What else? A pacifier? No, we don't need that. Then eggs? Wow, correct! How about corn? Oops, I guess not. Chocolate? Yay! Chocolate it is! Last but not least, healthy milk. Wow, we found them all! Now lay your dough out and roll it flat. Press down with a round cutter to make a round shape. A triangle cutter to make a triangle shape. A square cutter to make a square shape. A star cutter to make a star shape, and we're done! Now, let's dunk the donuts into hot oil. Wow, they're fried perfectly. Next, it's time for some strawberry chocolate glaze. The final step, sweet sprinkles. Which one should we use? Chocolate? Orange? Strawberry sprinkles it is. Ta-da! A yummy strawberry chocolate donut! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat? Oh, you want a cupcake. Today we're making a cupcake with strawberry frosting and a cherry on top. Chef Como, let's cook. What do I need to make a cupcake? Let's find the ingredients. We found them all! Now let's make the batter. Pour the batter into the cupcase. Place it into the oven and bake. Ta-da! The cake part is done! Now it's time to decorate it. Which frosting should we use? Banana? Chocolate? Let's go with strawberry. Next, some pretty sprinkles. Which one should we pick? Rainbow sprinkles? Ah! Hearts it is! The final touch, a fruit topping. Cherries, an orange, some chocolate, and blueberries. A red cherry's perfect. Ta-da! A yummy cupcake! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba.
Oh, you want French fries? Today, we're making crispy, salty French fries. Chef Como, let's cook! To make French fries, we need potatoes. Let's get some potatoes from the field. Don't get them confused with lookalikes. We found them all! Ew, you're filthy! Let's get washed! Now you're clean! Time to chop, chop, chop! All done! Next, we fry them up. Farting French fries! Nice and crispy! Yay! Crispy, salty, yummy French fries! Dig in, Uba! What should we make next time?